In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove hyperlink in WPS Office. Hyperlinks can be useful, but there are times when you need plain text, especially when preparing documents for printing, sharing, or formal use. Removing hyperlinks helps clean up your content and keeps it looking simple and professional. To begin, open your document in WPS Office and look for the text that contains hyperlinks. In this example, there are several linked words within a sentence. If you only need to remove a single hyperlink, the process is very straightforward. Click on the word that contains the hyperlink so it is clearly selected. Once the word is selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. From the menu that appears, look for the option that says Remove Hyperlink. Click on this option and the hyperlink will be removed instantly. The text will remain in place, but it will no longer function as a link. This method is ideal when you are dealing with just one or a few hyperlinks and want to keep the rest of the text formatting unchanged. However, there are situations where a document contains many hyperlinks, and removing them one by one would take too much time. If you want to remove multiple hyperlinks at once, the process is slightly different. First, select all the text that contains the hyperlinks. You can do this by clicking and dragging across the text until everything you want to edit is highlighted. After selecting the text, you may notice that the Remove Hyperlink option is not active. This is normal when multiple hyperlinks are selected together. In this case, you will need to use a different approach. With the text still selected, cut the text. This temporarily removes it from the document and prepares it to be pasted back in a different format. Next, go to the Paste option drop-down located at the top left of the Home tab. Click on the Paste drop-down, and from the available options, select Unformatted Text. This Paste option removes all formatting from the text, including hyperlinks. Once you paste the text as unformatted text, all hyperlinks will be gone. The text will remain readable, but it will no longer contain links or extra formatting. This method is especially helpful when cleaning up copied content from websites or long documents filled with multiple hyperlinks. After completing either method, review your document to make sure the text appears the way you want. You can always reapply basic formatting if needed without bringing back the hyperlinks. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.